You may be in one of two situations. Either you are setting up a Windows 11 HP laptop or you're using a local account. In both cases, it's better to have your Outlook account ready. That way, you can quickly sign in and set up your Microsoft account easily. Let me guide you through all the steps one by one. Open any browser you have. It could be Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Type outlook.com and press enter. Click on sign in. Select create one. Enter your email address and click on next. Now type your password and make sure to set a strong password. Then click on next. Select your country, add your date of birth and click on next. Here you need to enter your first name and the last name. Afterwards, press and hold the button to prove yourself as human. You can choose your option as per your requirement. I am skipping this option for now. And it's done. We have our Microsoft account. Now you can sign in to your Windows using the same email address and password. For that, click on Start, open Settings, then Account, sign in, enter your email and password, and it's done. So that's how you can create Microsoft account in HP laptop Windows 11. That's all for today. See you in the next video.